Welcome to the fourth week of Quality Management. To begin, click on the Weekly Modules Content area and select the Module 4, Chapter 4, Tools and Techniques for Quality Improvement. As always, we begin every module with the learning objectives. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is review this video, read Chapter 4, and review the Chapter 4 PowerPoint presentation. The first assignment you have for this week is the peer-to-peer discussion, the 7 QC tools, and the Chapter 4 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, then again, which is the video you're watching right now. Make sure you're reading Chapter 4 and the PowerPoint presentation. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion, the 7 QC tools. For your initial post, you're going to pick out one of the 7 QC tools that you're interested in. Next, you're going to explain the purpose and use of the tool. Then you're going to search for that QC tool on the web and find a website that contains an example of the tool. And lastly, you're going to explain the example of how that tool was used. Feel free to copy and paste the image of the tool that you found into your post. And of course, you still need to respond to at least 3 other students. Lastly, we have the Chapter 4 quiz, Tools and Techniques for Quality Improvement. That concludes the video. Have a great week.